What's going on, YouTube? Today we about to be driving a special whip. So stay tuned for this video. We out here.
Rafael Oencó. Yo soy un demonio, él quería matarme pero se murió. El otro que dijo que iba a matarme, la N lo crucificó. Amén. Lloré con cojones cuando me...
I'm about to show you guys the whip right now. What's going on, guys? Just finished up eating my Twinkie. So we've been looking for my cat for like 5 hours. Just look at this. Just look at this. It's so retarded. Just wait for it. I got some tires here, extra tires laying around. Let's see if she sticks her.
You gotta go there. You just go there.
I want to stick her head out. What the fuck? What are you doing? You better not flap my tires with your nails, girl. How you get in there? This shit was covered over. How'd you get? If it was like this, how'd you get in there?
Yeah, and then that.
Yes. This bitch. Alright.
That's dirty in
Everything in there, dude, she's gonna come out blacker. Her white spot's gonna be black. So we just got something. Oh, this sun though. The baby over here. Watching the projector. Where is it? Can you see it? Yeah. Just got this. I don't know if you can see it. Can't really see it because it's sunny. Just do that way. Schnap. My brother got it, but he wanted a phone. Okay, look, stick your head out. This guy is so nosy. He's always in my closet, hiding somewhere. Now she's inside my tires, literally. You need to come up with a pink eye. Watch. Look, look, look. Chilling spot now. Wanted a phone, because his phone is like really, really messed up. Like, his screen has a hole in it. So, yeah, I got this. And I've been looking for one of these. So I traded them because I have 3 phones. I just gave one to my mom because I don't use it, and I gave the other one to my brother because I don't use it. And obviously I still with the newest one, which was the iPhone 8 Plus. I gave him the 6S. And I gave my mom the 5S. I have a 5 also, but I don't know what I did with it. fuck is these people doing? Yeah, I don't know what these people talking outside bullshit. Here's my mom's car right in the new whip over there. Ching. Looks nice. Yeah, so you about to go try to plug this shit on, see what it can do. I gave birth to my cat, it just came out. This is another cat. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Guys, I just dropped my phone. Oh my god. And I just gotta
CPR?
I need some CPR. Revive it.
Where is it?
No, I didn't crack. I just got a screen protector. Yeah, so we're gonna set this up. I just dropped my phone, babe. My phone needs some CPR.
No, it doesn't. I heard.
You did hear it.
I know, I heard. It didn't crack.
Yeah, it didn't crack. That shit fell from like way up here.
That's your problem. I'm not
She
gonna
was
do
like,
another one.
oh, so we figured it out. I threw them over
I'm
here.
hungry, bro.
Wait, you gonna keep this in your room?
I don't know yet.
Keep this in the living room. For everyone.
Fuck my dick, nigga. How about that? Yeah, nigga.
Or shot,
So you
okay?
plug it up. Hold this. You wanna see how to.
I'm shaky.
Oh,
Alright, so. Let me see this shit work. Yo, bruh.
I told you you have to charge the controller.
Nah, it's working over there, like it flashes. And how it works. Okay, so let's see.
You gotta put the. Yo, he. Yo, bro. I ain't gonna
he don't understand how this shit works. That's why he's asking for help.
Bro, but they obviously said get it. How we gonna start the shit? Knowing I just said before it started, I said it requires internet, right? Right? I said that, right?
I'm trying to
He's
figure
looking at
out.
the shit like the shit don't work. No, obviously I just said it needed internet.
I deployed the freaking mic.
Hey, don't look at my call.
Come with son, scared.
Oh, it's recording on here.
Put it on X. Put it on X.
What the hell?
Oh yeah!
What?
Let's listen to your messages.
Stop!
You can do that with Android too.
No, I can edit like this.
Wait, you can do that shit with Android too. No?
Fuck Android.
No. Just wondering, man. Because if that shit works, you want to watch a movie or some shit.
You have all these pregnant bitches in here. Fuck is this? Man feast?
Put it on X. Get it.
What are you gonna write?
Yo, I'm hungry, nigga.
A game.
Oh no, bro.
This is not my channel, but it always pops up.
Hey,
First
fucking
one.
over there, like there's actually food here. Like, man.
Come on, let's get
Let's
this
watch
shit.
the icy hot on Blake Friday underwear.
Let's get this shit to 100 views. We got 95.
98.
98. Oh, 98. Oh, we're right there.
No, don't put it on. I don't wanna watch that.
I didn't watch that shit yet.
Yes, nigga.
Let's watch some Netflix, bro.
It's not yours, you hungry motherfucker.
There's no food here.
Yo, let's watch some Netflix, bro.
Not that, it's my badge.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Let's watch some Netflix. Jessica Jones, nigga.
So
Go get my laptop.
Can I stop recording now?
Yeah.